Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, I have my Trendmood box, so this should be a much shorter video than the last one that I put up. That took forever to edit. It was over 70 minutes of footage that I was trying to edit down. So if you watch that one, you are a rock star. Anyway, let's check out the Trendmood box. I haven't gotten Trendmood for several years. I think the last one I got was like in the height of the Panini. Not going to say the real word because then YouTube will strike me and say that I'm stuff. So anyway, yeah, that was like March, April 2020 when I got the first one, or the last one. I haven't gotten any. I was tempted every once in a while, but like just timing, it never worked right, and like the amount of things in it was never something I was really interested in. Okay, so first up, yes, there is a QR code that you can scan. I'm filming on my phone though, so I can't scan them. I will just tell you what I see and how I feel about what I see. Before I get started though, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think of the contents. I think this is a really good one, if I remember right from what I saw. So I'm excited to see the variations that I got in it. So we'll break the seal. Oh my goodness. I hate breaking the seal. Like, I feel like it's such a waste of tissue paper. It's me. Okay, inside we got some bubble wrap. Okay, first thing in here I have from Swirl and Sparkle Trendmood Vegan All Natural Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. And this is a toasted marshmallow scent. Ooh, and it's purple. Okay, very cool. I'm not getting much of a scent out of it. There's also a QR code in here so that you can find out more about Swirl and Sparkle. But interesting. Not gonna hate it, but not the most exciting thing, I guess. Then we have from M Cosmetics. I was like, I know this brand somewhere. So that's what it looks like. This is, what are you? A soft blur velvet lip liner in the shade Teddy. I'm a little nervous about that shade. That looks quite brown, and I'm not really a brown lip person. We're still looking pretty brown, which makes me kind of nervous. Help if I put things down. Yeah, I think that's pretty brown. So I am going to put this in my pass along pile to give to a friend who is more likely to do a brown lip. I don't know what the other color choices were, but I was hoping for something a little bit more pinkish, a little bit more nudie. I'm traumatized by 90s brown lips. Those were not something that I ever aspired to when I was a kid back in the day. So anyway, we have something from First Aid Beauty. This is the anti-chafe stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal, and I guess you just stick it on places that chafe. I wonder if that would work on the back of my heels, because I keep getting blisters depending on shoes that I'm wearing. Okay, that was not the most interesting thing. Okay, let's pull out this giant thing in here. This is from Bondi Boost. This is the Miracle Hair Mask. This has a lot of ingredients in it. Oh my gosh. It's a product of Australia, and it's certified organic ingredients. How to use: once a week after shampooing and in place of conditioner. Apply from roots to end and leave on for 15 minutes. Well, if you've been watching me at any length of time, you know that I am not the type that does sitting in the shower or having to get back in the shower. Like, no. So I'm probably going to pass this along because I don't have the patience for that. I want something that I can leave in 2-3 minutes tops. Like, if there's a 3-minute conditioner, I probably can do that. But anything longer than that, I pass it along because I don't like standing in the shower cold or wasting water. And like the thought of rinsing, like drying off and then getting back in the shower, oh my gosh, that sounds awful. Okay, we have something from April Skin. I haven't heard of this brand. I've heard of M Cosmetics, obviously, Michelle fan. I've heard of First Aid Beauty, obviously. I think most of us have. And I've heard of Bondi Boost. Like, I haven't tried anything from Bondi Boost, but I haven't tried anything. The Swirl and Sparkle is not something I've heard of, but judging by the packages, it looks like it's a small indie company. April Skin, this is a Artismia Rice Essence Toner. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's a moisturizing toner. It says it on the side. Interesting. Okay. What does it say? High performance, gentle skin solutions for all. Okay. Oh, kind of nice packaging. I like the color. It's a plastic, but it feels pretty nice. And it has a flip top, which I actually prefer this because I have a couple toners right now I'm using that are just like a free pour, and it's terrifying. Like, I don't use cotton rounds for my toner. I just apply it directly to my skin with my hands. So a free pour flow is just like, that's not cool. Yeah, I will definitely give this a go. I started using toner a few years ago because I have so many of them, because they seem to come in so many things, and we're just continuing with that. Then we have from KVD, this is the Full Bloom Long Defining Tubing Mascara. Okay, so this should not transfer then. Fully wraps lashes in all-day ink black pigment. Then they're showing the before and after, if you can see them there. I did notice there is a card on the bottom too that says KVD. So we have the card, and then Studio Veritas. What are we getting today? Full sleeve, long sleeve, defining tubing mascara. Kind of funny that Kat Von D is no longer associated with it, but they're calling it full sleeve, which is a tattoo term. At least I think it is. I don't have tattoos. I don't have my ears pierced because I don't like needles. So wet your fingers with warm water, press against your lashes for a few seconds, and use gentle pressure to easily slide off the sleeves off your lashes. So, all right, let's open it up. I do like the packaging, the flowers on it. It's very pretty. I do think they're doing a good job. It's not the same artwork as Kat Von D, but I do think they are, like, they kept up that artistic quality that the company had previously. So this is actually feels pretty light. The handle feels very light and cheap. Like, usually it feels pretty solid, but it definitely is weighted more for where the product is. And then I don't know if you can see, it's very shiny. It's reflecting. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready for a new mascara right now. And yeah, I don't want to open it right yet because I have some older mascaras I want to use up first. So this will probably be used up. I'll use it in the next year, in 2024. I'm going to leave the biggest item for a second because I saw there's one more small item. This is from Sigma. It is a lip cream enriched with jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and vitamin E. I haven't tried any. Well, maybe that's a lie. I might have tried something from Sigma in terms of lip care. I got the Cinderella collection and the Alice collection. I don't think I've tried the lips though. And okay, it's an okay shade. It's not like maybe my most exciting favorite shade ever, but we'll give it a swatch. Yeah, I might be able to get away with that at work. I think that is a decent one, and it's kind of brown, but I don't think it's going to be too brown. I think it has a nice rosiness to it. So we have that. I just realized I didn't grab any makeup wipes to clean up things. Anyway, then the last thing, it is double bubble wrapped in here. And this is the thing that I was most excited about getting because this retails for more than the price of the box. So this was $48 plus tax, but then I had, if you use Trendmood or something, there was a code anyway that they sent out. You saved like 5% or something. It helped. It was a couple dollars. Anyway, this is, I was excited about. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance Eyeshadow Palette. I haven't bought any ABH palettes for years. I think the last one I got was one of the Norvinas. They got to be too many, and I wasn't loving the color stories, and I have some that I feel like I just got because I liked the color. I wanted to collect them instead of like they're actually ones I'm going to wear, like the Riviera. There's some nice colors in there, but there was just a few that were not my favorites. I was not expecting this to be like the traditional palettes. It's textured. I don't think you can see the cool texture on it, but it's kind of like a velvet, but with a pattern on it. It almost looks like animal skin or something. So we have 12 colors. Look at how pretty they are. I love those purples. on the top row, and the greens, like, I just feel like it's so pretty. What do I want to swatch? Okay, we're gonna do the purple. A little scratchy. Not gonna lie, just a little scratchy. We'll double dip into that one. Okay, I have to do this Moonlight. Okay, this one feels much softer. That almost feels like it might be a topper though, because it doesn't look like it's gonna have a huge impact. Then let's do this Thorns right under Moonlight, because that felt silky smooth. Ooh. I kind of want to just we're going to do the other green because I want to see what the difference between the greens are. So we'll do the greens first. Okay, so one is definitely darker. They don't look so green. They're more smoky than I was expecting at first. Yeah, that topper, can you even see it? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's there, but it's not, it doesn't have like a pigment to it. And then, yeah, that one was nice. I do like that one. Let's see if we can build up that Moonlight. A little bit, yeah. Okay, all in all, not too bad. I'm not mad at it. I don't know. I can't wait to wear this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look for this in it's going to be a while. My November palette roundup. I will throw this in my November palettes, and that won't go up until December though, because that's just where my life is. Yeah, thinking about what I have, this is gonna have to wait till November, unfortunately. Anyway, okay, I wanted to do a really quick recap. I already ended the video, but we're reconvening to go over it. I feel like there's a couple things that I'm really excited about, a couple things that I'm not excited about that I'm going to pass along, and then a couple of just like about. So first up, the two things that I'm not excited about that I'm going to be passing along. They're not necessarily bad. They're just not something that I would like. We have the Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask, just not for me. I'm not going to sit for 15 minutes waiting for something to work. And then the lip liner from M Cosmetics, just the shade Teddy, is not for me. I would have probably enjoyed one of the other colors much more instead. Things that I'm just kind of about. We have the April Skin Toner. I think the packaging's really nice, so I'm excited in that aspect to try it and try something new, but it's not something I'm super excited about. The anti-chafe stick, I don't know. Maybe I might end up passing this one along. It's not something I'm super excited about. The Trendmood brush cleanser, I'm actually kind of excited about this one, but it's not the most exciting thing to me. What I'm most excited about is the colored makeup. So the lip cream from Sigma, the mascara from KVD, and then the eyeshadow palette. And now there's a wasp like trying to find a hole in my window. The palette is definitely what I'm most excited about and why I was interested in this box in the first place. So yeah, I would say like 3, okay, 2, and then 3 that I'm excited to try. So let me know if you've gotten a Trendmood box, if you got this one, if you've been tempted by any of them lately. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.